Hey guys, this is me, Tremble 18 Productions here. What's going on? This is me. That's right, it's me. And today, I'm going to be doing a review. I'm going to be doing an unboxing review and test run video of one of my birthday presents. And this is the first one I got. It's the coolest. That's right. It's the one I want. Ever since I got 2 Plarail items and 2 Trapster items. That's right. I'll show you the first Plarail engine I got from my dad from Dubai, and here it is. The one I've been wanting for so many years because that's a rare item, because that's an exclusive item, the rolling stock, especially the number 5 one. Okay, sorry. It is That's right, guys. I've got the Plarail 2015 Gordon. Yes! The Plarail 2015 Gordon. And this time, I got the normal 2015 Plarail Gordon. You know why? Because this one comes with the Express Coach. And I want this Gordon to be the main Gordon because I don't like my Plarail Talking Gordon or Plarail Talking James. I even got the Plarail James, but I'll show you in the next video. So yeah. Yeah, you got me. Sorry. Anyway, yes, here's the Plarail Gordon. Here's Gordon with the tender and the CGI style face. That's cool. I like that very much. I like it so much. This is so cool. This is really cool, guys. I can't believe my eyes. So happy I got this Gordon to replace my other Plarail Gordon. Because the Plarail Gordon I have is a Talking Gordon and not Talking James I have. And I don't like those because they don't come with good rolling stock. They'll come with trucks, but but the Plarail Talking James only comes with a brake fan. So it doesn't come with a brake fan, it comes with a truck. And the Plarail Talking Gordon comes with the truck too. So I got this Gordon. And I even got the Plarail James, but I'll show you in the next video. I'll do my unboxing video, test video on it the next time. So yeah. So anyway, without further ado, let's open Gordon up. Let me get my tools. Hang on. Okay, right. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Well, I like the face much better than the 2015, the Talking Gordon's face. Here comes his tender. Oh, a little smudgy. Oh, let me fix it. There we go. Like the Plarail tender and the James tender, but yeah, this time I got oval bumpers. I really love it so much. Yay! Okay. And last but not least, oh my god, here comes the thing I also been wanting to see for a long time. Yep. The Green Express Coach. Wow. This is a Green Express Coach. This is the coach I've been wanting to get along with some other Green Express coaches, but I never got the chance. So yeah, here's the Express Coach. Oh, but I have a peach, yellow, whitish color on it, cream, and a green here. But yeah, I'm so happy to get one of these coaches. So yeah, and I'm definitely getting this in my collection. So yeah. Okay, well, let's get Gordon out, shall we? So hang on. Well, Whoa, this Plarail Gordon is locked strong, almost. Cool. Wow, look at you, Gordon. Fresh out of the package, the plastic wrap. So yeah. Wow, nice face. Looks like the Plarail Talking Gordon's face, but this one is different. No pupils. I like it. And it's free real. And same bogey wheel, but this one is painted. And what happened to my... I'm very grateful to get this 2015 Plarail Gordon because my Plarail Talking Gordon is not great. And what to do with it? Well, yeah, I made it into a new engine. So yeah, I'll show you in my custom video once I get the chance. So yeah, here's Gordon. Same unique side rods. The rods I have with the Plarail Talking Gordon, they're gone. I gave them to... Actually, they're not gone. The other side rods I have with the Plarail Talking Gordon, I took them away and gave them to Henry. But yeah, I'm so happy I got this Gordon. It has unique side rods, which is accurate to the show. The other side, that's like the Plarail Talking Gordon side rods, which I gave them to Henry. So yeah, you know, you haven't seen? I'll show you. Yes, you see, Henry has these unique Gordon side rods from the Plarail Talking Gordon. Yeah, I took them from the Plarail Talking Gordon and gave them to Henry. Now he is like Gordon. That's great. Okay, yep, that's cool. Now let's look at his tender. It's very nice. He has oval buffers and same number 4. It's so big. I love it. I have to paint the windows though. So yeah, that's another video for you. So yeah. And then here's the Express Coach. Very nice green Express Coach. And yes, you all seen it. And this is the coach I'm going to be keeping. Find it anywhere. Okay. This is the Express Coach that I've got. This is this Gordon's Express Coach. The green Express Coach is so nice. And yes, like I said, it's so beautiful. It looks accurate to the show, but I will be getting more of these soon. It has oval buffers too, but yeah, I like it. I will be also getting red Express Coaches as well. So yeah, happy I got this coach. So yeah, Plarail 2015 Gordon is so nice. That's cool. Well, without further ado, let's give him a battery, shall we? Okay. Wow, he's fast. Cool. Well, it's a bit strong. So yeah, that's cool. Gordon's strong, and yeah, that's cool. But this time I'm not going to change the motor, because it'll be, yeah, boo. Who cares? Who cares about changing motors? I hate motors, whatever. Who cares about motors? Who cares? I'm so happy I got this Gordon. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. Sorry. I'm just complaining. So yeah. That's Gordon. That's great. This 2015 Plarail Gordon is outstanding and exclusive. Yeah. Love it so much. Yeah. Okay guys, so now I got the 2015 Plarail Gordon on the track, the Superstition track this time. Yep, and I got him on the layout. This is really cool. So yeah, Plarail Talking Gordon, ready to pull the Express. That's cool. But I don't have the rest of the Express coaches, so I'm going to use that one Express coach until I get more. So yeah. So anyway, without further ado, let's give Gordon a run on the layout, shall we? Express coming through. Cue the music. Express coming through. Well guys, that was my unboxing review and test run video of the Plarail Talking. Well guys, that was my unboxing review and test run video on the Plarail 2015 Gordon. And I say, he looks much better than the Plarail Talking Gordon. And because he has a nice tender, detachable tender, and good express coach. And I will be getting more express coaches for him, so that he can pull the express. And I will also be getting more red express coaches, so yeah. So happy to finally own this model. And yeah. He is a bit strong, I think. But yeah, he's cool. I like him. And if you can't get your hands on the Plarail 2015 Gordon, go to Amazon Singapore, and this is for you. And this is for you. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching this video, you guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be doing another review on my birthday presents. Thanks for watching this video, and see you on the next unboxing review and test run video. Thanks for watching. Peace out.